Good morning, everyone. Today we will study chapter 18 Wildlife. India has a diversified relief and climate. Diversity is seen in the wildlife. There are about 15 lakh species of wildlife, of which about 81,251 species are in India. It includes 1230 varieties of birds, 496 types of reptiles, 210 types of amphibians, 398 types of mammals, 2546 types of fishes, and 60,000 types of insects. India is at 6th place among the 8 countries in the world which have very rich biodiversity. Now the first point, that is zoo geographic regions of India. India is divided into 9 zoogeographic regions, that is Himalayas, Ladakh and arid dry regions, forest region of lower Himalayas, higher regions of Himalayas without vegetation, northern plains, Rajasthan desert, peninsular plateau, sea coast and Nilgiri hills. Now let us discuss the new topic, that is the diversified wildlife of India. The physiography of India consisted of different forms like high mountains, vast river plains, peninsular plateau, marshy lands, sea coast, and etc. The natural vegetation regions like the dense rainforest, monsoon forest, thorny vegetations, coniferous forest have formed a vast background for the dwelling of wildlife. That is why ascetic elephant are seen in the rainforest of peninsular plateau, one-horned Indian rhino in the marshy area of Brahmaputra, snow leopards in the high uplands of Himalayas, wild goat and musk deer in Jammu and Kashmir, wild buffalo means Indian bison in South Indian forests, tiger in Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal, Gutkhar in wild, we can say it is wild ash in the Little Run of Kutch, and flamingo are found in the waterlogged Greater Run of Kutch. In the grassland of the nation, large birds like gorad, means great Indian bustards, are found. In the waterlogged area of India, migratory birds like Siberian crane, pelican, Tibetan duck, kunj, karkara, etc. coming during winter. Flying squirrels are seen in the dense forest of Western Ghats. Nicobari dove is a rare bird found in Nicobar Islands. Rare species of corals are found in the Gulf of Kutch in Lakshadweep Island. Different varieties of reptiles like king cobra, snakes, python, patla go are also found. Along the sea coast and in other water bodies, various species are found, wherein dolphin, shark, dugong means sea cow, octopus, whale, mackerel, bumla, pomfret, herring, salmon, etc. are the major ones. On the agricultural lands, pasture lands, and the wastelands, animals like fox, wolf, nilgai, deer, mongoose, rabbit, wild hog, hedges, etc. are seen moving around. There is a large diversity in the birds of India. The national bird peacock is very beautiful bird. Besides cuckoo, parrot, sugari means weaver bird, owl, chibri, pilak, kite, kabar, Door, bagla, duck, hawk, crow, pigeon, sparrow are also found in large number in India. Now the new topic, that is wildlife and the need for conservation. Since the last few decades, a danger hangs on the existence of wildlife of India. There is a decrease in the number of wild animals. Before about 100 years, there were many tigers in India. An estimate of 2014 by the Forest and Environment Ministry, there are 2226 tigers. The number of species of vulture has also decreased due to eating the meat polluted because of the use of diflonic drug used to treat sick milch cattle. The leopards which were found in India in the beginning of the 20th century are almost exist in the country. The Asiatic lions are found strolling in the forest of Asiatic forest of Middle Eastern countries are now found only in Gir forest. Due to the implementation of lion project and their breeding, there are now 523 lions in 2015. At one time, flamingos were seen in the large number of country, but today their number has reduced. Shyam Garud means black eagle, which is a native of mountain forest in Gujarat, is also rarely seen. Chilotro, a bird found in the mountain forest of Vijayanagar Taluka of Sabarkantha district, is hardly seen nowadays. Now, the new topic, that is important national parks and sanctuaries of India. Now, let us see. There is a first one, that is Kaziranga, that is in the Assam. Rhino, wild buffalo, and deer that we can see in the Kaziranga sanctuary. Next one, that is the Thar desert, that is in the Rajasthan, and in the sanctuary we can see desert wolf, desert cat, and buster. Third one, that is Kana, that it comes in the Madhya Pradesh, and in the sanctuary tiger and antelope. Next national park, that is the Gir National Park, that we know very well, in the Junagadh. There in the sanctuary we can see lion, leopard, and cheetal. Next national park, that is Velavadar Kaliar National Park, that also comes in the Gujarat. And in the sanctuary we can find out black buck, wolf, and peacock. Next one, that is Kevla Dev, that is Bharatpur in the Rajasthan. And in the sanctuary we can find out birds, or we can say it's migratory and the local birds. Next, that is Bandipur, it comes in the Karnataka, and in the sanctuary we can see there elephant, bear, hog, and wild cat. Next one national park, that is the Chigam, that comes in the Kashmir, and in the sanctuary we can find out Hamur. Hamur means Kashmiri deer and musk deer. Last one, that is Corbett, it comes in the Himalayan foothills, and in the sanctuary we can see tiger, elephant, leopard, and deer. So, dear students, today we will complete our topic here, and now we will meet in the next session. Till that, goodbye ahead.